Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a Spotify widget on your iPhones on iOS 14. It's actually very easy to do. All you're going to do this is just go to the App Store. You're going to want to download this application called TuneTrack. It's just the application with the red background, the white heart, and the red logo. So you just want to go ahead and download that application. Once that's done, you want to go over to the application and open it up. And what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the second tab from the bottom. So if you just go on the bottom, you'll see the Music Services tab. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then you'll see Spotify under Music Services. You want to click on that. And it's just going to connect you to your Spotify. And this authorization page will pop up. So basically, this is just allowing TuneTrack to connect to your Spotify account so it can see what song you're listening to and stuff so we can create the widget. So if you just scroll down, you just want to click on Agree to that. And then you'll be connected with your Spotify to the application. Now, what you want to do is if you haven't listened to Spotify in the last couple of minutes, you want to go ahead onto Spotify and just click on a song, a random song, just so it recognizes it because it only updates every 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on a random song really quick. Once that's done, you can go back into the TuneTrack application. You just want to confirm that it shows this, that Spotify is connected. Once that's done, you guys can exit back out of it, and you just want to long press on any application on your screen, and then you want to click on Edit Home Screen. Go up to the top of the display and click on the plus icon in the top left corner. Then you want to scroll down until you see the TuneTrack option. So you see TuneTrack right here. You just want to go ahead and click on TuneTrack, and then right here you'll see the Spotify widget. If it's not there, just scroll over to your right. It'll be right here. But you just want to go over the Spotify widget and just click on Add Widget. And then you will see the widget added to your home screen. For whatever reason, if it's blank for you or it's just showing no song, you can just head over to the TuneTrack application, go over to Settings, and then just click on Refresh Widget. And it's the same thing if it doesn't change your song, because like I said, it changes every 5 minutes. So sometimes you'll have to go in here and just click on Refresh Widget, and then it'll be all good again. And then obviously, once you have it done, you can go ahead and move it around and drag it to wherever you would like. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create the Spotify widgets on your iPhones. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.